waking up to the sound of rain so slow. Golden light through the curtains, let it glow. Fingertips tracing memories on my skin. Every breath, every touch pull me back again. You're the whisper in the midnight breeze, the melody that sets my soul at ease. No rush, no need to chase the time. Just stay here, let our hearts align. You're the best part of my everyday, soft like the waves pulling me away when the world feels heavy, when the skies turn gray. You're the light that makes me wanna stay. Silhouettes in the moonlight side by side, falling deep with no need to hide. No words, just the rhythm of your heart. Every beat keeps me safe in the dark. You're the whisper in the midnight breeze, the melody that sets my soul at ease. No rush, no need to chase the time. Just stay here, let our hearts align, yeah. You're the best part of my everyday, soft like the waves pulling me away when the world feels heavy, when the skies turn gray. You're the light that makes me wanna stay. Hold me closer, don't let go. Let's move slow, take it real low. Every second, every sigh feels like heaven in your eyes. Hold me closer, don't let go. Let's move slow, take it real low. Every second, every sigh.